So hello my dear students, so welcome back to our channel Maths for All. This is Sudhakar Reddy. So in this video, we are going to discuss very important models in three-dimensional geometry. So please don't miss this video, watch completely so that you can able to answer the one question from three-dimensional geometry. One question means 4 marks. So 4 marks means it's not a easy thing in JEE means. Okay. So till now, if you didn't subscribe my video, my channel, so please do subscribe. Okay, so please comment. So your comments may give some boosting to us to keep some more videos. Okay, so let us discuss so very beautiful questions, so very important questions in 3D geometry. The questions are like this. So the very first question is like this: the distance of the point. The distance of the point, P3, 8, 2, P3, 8, 2 from the line x minus 1 by 2 is equal to y minus 3 by 4 is equal to z minus 2 by 3. Measured parallel to the plane. Measured parallel to the plane. 3x plus 2y minus 2z plus 15 equals to 0 is a very important model. Let us see the solution. Read the question carefully first of all. The distance of the point P3, 8, so there is a point here. This is the point P3, 8, 2. So now we have to find out the distance of this point from the line. So there may be a line like this. So this is the line. What is the line? This is the line x minus 1 by 2. X minus 1 by 2 is equal to y minus 3 by 4 is equal to z minus 2 by 3. So if you want to find out the distance of a point to a line, there's always a perpendicular distance. But here in this question has gone some twist. What is that? Measured parallel to the plane. We have to find out the distance of this point from this line. That distance must be parallel to this plane. So there may be a line like this, there may be a plane here like this. There may be a plane. What is this plane? This is 3x plus 2y minus 2z plus 15 is equals to the plane. Okay. So now we have to find out the distance of this point to this line. That distance must be measured parallel to this plane. That means, so draw a line parallel to that plane. Right. So now this is the distance from this point to this plane. So measured parallel to this plane. Measured parallel to this plane, isn't it? Achha. So let us say this is the point Q. So it is clear that the line PQ is parallel to this plane. What is that? The line PQ is parallel to this plane. Achha. What is the equation of this line? L is equals to 0. This is the line. Let us say this is lambda. Achha. So equate every term to lambda. So x equal to 2 lambda plus 1, y equal to 4 lambda plus 3, z equal to 3 lambda plus 2. So let us say the point 2 lambda plus 1, 4 lambda plus 3, 3 lambda. What it represents? It represents different points on this line for different values of lambda. So it may be the point Q on this line for some value of lambda. So let us say the point Q is 2 lambda plus 1, 4 lambda plus 3, 3 lambda plus 2. Achha. Okay. So now, see here the line PQ is parallel to this plane. Line parallel to plane. So now, So you know the point P and you know the point Q. So first of all, I am going to find out dRs. This is the point Q is important. If you know the point Q, after that it is enough to find out the distance between P and Q. So here the problem is to find out the value of lambda. If you know the value of lambda, automatically you know the point Q. So then you can find out the distance between P and Q. That's the answer. Achha. So how do you find out lambda? So first of all, find out dRs of PQ. dRs of PQ. When the 2 points are known, what is the formula to find out dRs? x1, y1, z1, x2, y2, z2 are 2 points. Then the dRs of the line joining those 2 points are x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1. Achha. So find out the dRs of PQ. Right. 2 lambda plus 1 minus 3. It is 2 lambda minus 2. 4 lambda plus 3 minus 8. It is 4 lambda minus 5. 3 lambda plus 2 minus 3 lambda. It is 3 lambda. So these are the dRs of PQ. dRs of PQ. Now this is the plane. Plane AX plus BY plus EZ. This is the plane is of the form AX plus BY plus EZ plus D equals to 0. And here also the important thing is what are ABC? AX plus BY plus EZ plus D is equal to 0 is the equation of plane. What are ABC? ABC are the dRs of plane. No. ABC are the dRs of normal to the plane. ABC are the dRs of normal to the plane. Remember, a plane has no dRs. A plane has no dRs. A line has dRs. So now, ABC are the dRs of normal to the plane. So this line is parallel to this plane. That means this line is perpendicular to the normal to the plane. This line is parallel to this plane. Whenever a line is parallel to the plane, that means the line is perpendicular to the normal to the plane. The line is perpendicular to the normal to the plane. So since PQ is parallel to the plane, PQ is parallel to the plane, 3x plus 2y minus 2z plus 15 is equals to 0. Plus 15 is equals to 0. So what are the dRs of PQ? This one. And what are the dRs of normal to the plane? 3, 2 minus 2. 3, 2 minus 2. And this line and the normal is perpendicular to each other. So then we have a condition A1, A2 plus B1, B2 plus C1, C2 is equals to 0. So A1 means 2 lambda minus 2 into 3 plus 4 lambda minus 5 into 2 A1, A2 plus B1, B2 plus C1, C2 is equals to 0. The 3 lambda minus 2, that should be equal to 0. Okay, so just open the bracket. 6 lambda minus 6 plus 8 lambda minus 10. Achha, minus 6 lambda is equal to 0. Of course, this plus 6 lambda minus 6 lambda gets cancelled. Okay. So 8 lambda is equal to 16. So lambda equals to 2. So lambda equals to 2. So after getting the value of lambda, so you can find out the point Q. So the point Q is what lambda to know? So the point Q is 5, 8 plus 3, 11, 8 plus 3, 11. So 3 2s are 6 plus 8, 6 plus 2 is 8. This is the point Q. Like this you can find out the point Q. The point Q is 5, 11, 8. And this way you can find out the point Q. Finally, he is asking distance PQ. So PQ is equals to square root of 5 minus 3 whole square 2 square 4 and 11 minus 8 3 square 9 plus 8 minus 2 also 6 36. So this is 7. So this is the way to find out the answer for this type of question. Very important model. Clear? Achha. Next model, the reverse model. The next model is like this. The distance of the point 1 comma minus 5 comma 9. The distance of the point 1 comma minus 5 comma 9 from the plane x minus y plus z is equal to 5. X minus y plus z is equal to 5 measured along the straight line. Measured along the straight line. X is equal to y is equal to z is. This is the reverse case of previous one. Achha. solution. Now read the question carefully. The distance of the point 1 comma minus 5 comma 9. Again there is a point P here, let us say this is 1 comma minus 5 comma 9. Now we have to find out the distance of this point to the plane, right? So let us say this is the plane. This is the plane. Now start. Okay, so this is the plane. So this is the point P 1 comma minus 5 comma 9 and this is the plane, right? So now we have to find out the distance of P to this plane, but that is not a perpendicular distance again. So that distance must be measured along a straight line. So of course there is a straight line. There may be a straight line like this. There may be a straight line like this. What is the equation of that line? X is equal to y equal to 1. So for your convenient, I am going to write x by 1 equal to y by 1 equal to z by 1. X by 1 equal to y by 1 equal to z by 1. So now we have to find out the distance of P to this plane. That distance must be measured parallel to this line. So this is the point P. And now draw a line parallel to this line like this. Now this is generator of the plane. Let us say this is the point Q. So now we have to find out the distance of this point from the plane like this. It's not a perpendicular distance. That distance must be parallel to that line. That distance must be parallel to that line. Right. So here, first of all, you have to find out the line PQ. So if you want to find out the equation of line in a three-dimensional geometry, what are the requirements? So the requirements to find out the equation of straight line three-dimensional geometry is a point and the drs of that line. So clearly this PQ line is passing through the point 1 comma minus 5 comma 9. So what are the drs of PQ? Clearly this line is parallel to this line, right? So he has given the equation of this line, x by 1 equal to y by 1 equal to z by 1. And what are 1, 1, 1 here? So 1, 1, 1 are the drs of this line. Of course, here the line PQ is parallel to that line. When the two lines are parallel, then their drs are equal. The two lines are parallel, then their drs are equal. So since PQ is parallel to x is equal to x by 1 is equal to y by 1 is equal to z by 1. So therefore drs of PQ are 1, 1, 1. So this is ABC. These are ABC, correct? Achha. So now the line PQ is passing through 1, 5, 1 minus 5, and let us say this is x1, y1, z1. So therefore, equation of PQ. So the equation of line passing through x1, y1, z1 and whose drs are ABC is given by x minus x1 by a. So that is x minus 1 by 1, y minus y1 that is y plus 5 by 1 is equal to z minus 9 by 1. Z minus 9 by 1. Let us say this is equal to lambda. So equal every term to lambda, that is x equal to 1 lambda plus 1, y equal to 1 lambda minus 5, z equal to 1 lambda plus 9. So let us say that is a point Q. So Q is equals to 1 lambda is lambda plus 1, lambda minus 5, so lambda minus 5, lambda plus 9. See, observe clearly the point Q on the plane. No doubt about it. Clearly the point Q lies on the plane. So what is the plane? X minus y plus z equal to 5. So clearly Q lies on x minus y plus z is equal to 5. Q lies on the plane. So just substitute the point Q there. So this is a lambda plus 1 minus of lambda minus 5 plus lambda plus 9 is equal to 5. So lambda plus 1 minus lambda plus 5 plus lambda plus 9 is equal to 5. Of course, plus lambda minus lambda gets cancelled, plus 5 gets cancelled. So lambda is equal to minus 10. So that the point Q here is the point Q. So if you substitute lambda equal to minus 10, it is minus 9, minus 15, and minus 1. That is the Q point. He is not asking point Q, is this asking the distance. So finally, if you find out the distance PQ, that is answer for this question. So PQ is equals to square root of 1 plus 9 whole square, it is 100, minus 5 plus 15, it is again 10 square, it is 100. Minus 9 plus 1, it is 100. 100. Square root of 300, it is 10 root 3 is the answer for this question. 10 root 3 answer for this question. So both the models are very important. Distance of a point to a plane measured parallel to the line. Distance of a point from a line measured parallel to the plane. Both the models are important. Right. The next one. The perpendicular distance from the origin to the plane containing the two lines x plus 2 by 3 is equal to y minus 2 by 3 is equal to z plus 5 by 7 and x minus 1 by 1 is equal to y minus 4 by 4 is equal to z plus 4 by 7 is one more important model. Read the question. What he is asking? In this question, he is asking the perpendicular distance from origin to where? To the plane. Where is plane? So plane containing the two lines. That means these two lines are in the plane. Okay, right. So whenever this type of question is given, so to solve this question, you must remember a small formula. The equation of plane containing the two lines, x minus x1 by a1 is equal to y minus y1 by b1 is equal to z minus z1 by c1 and x minus x2 by a2 is equal to y minus y2 by b2 is equal to z minus z2 by c2 is. The equation of plane containing the two lines like this is of the form, it's a very simple formula. It is x minus x1, y minus y1, z minus z1, a1, b1, c1, a2, b2, c2. That should be equal to. Here first row you may write x minus x1, y minus y1, z minus z1, or you can write x minus x2, y minus y2, z minus z2. You can write any one. You can write x minus x1, y minus y1, z minus z1, or x minus x2, y minus y2, z minus z2. Why, sir? Let me explain briefly. So first of all, what this equation represents? So this is a straight line passing through x1, y1, z1, whose DRs are a1, b1, c1. And this is the equation of line passing through x2, y2, z2, and DRs of that particular line are a2, b2, c2. Now these two lines lies in this plane. Containing the plane means these two lines must lie on this plane. So see here, this line is passing through x1, y1, z1. That means this point must be lies on the plane. This line is passing through x2, y2, z2. That means this point is also lies on this plane. That means the plane may be passing through x1, y1, z1 or x2, y2, z2. So here in the first row you may write x minus x1, y minus y1, z minus z1, or x minus x2, y minus y2, z minus z2. If you write any one, it's not a problem. Right, just expand the date. Now the given lines are like this. Right. So first row you may write this one or this one, whatever it may be. It's not a problem. Write one. X plus 2, y minus 2, z plus. Dump as it is, x plus 2, y minus 2, z plus 5. Simple, very simple. The second row, drs of the first line 3, 3, 7, and the third row drs of the second line 1, 4, 7 is equals to 0. Very easy, very easy. So just expand the determinant. That is x plus 2 times of 3 7s are 21 minus 28, it is minus 7, acha, minus of y minus 2 times of 3 7s are 14 minus 7, sorry, 3 7s are 21 minus 7 is 14 minus of z plus 5 times of 3 4s are 12 minus 3, it is 9 is equals to 0. Just expand, that is minus 7x minus 14y minus 14y minus 7x minus 14y minus 9z minus 9z. Now the constants, it is minus 14, it is minus 14, it is plus 28, it is plus 14, it is minus 45. So plus 14 minus 45. So plus 14 minus 45, plus 14 minus 45, 45 plus 14, it is 131. It is minus 31 equals to 0. Like this, you can find out the equation of the plane whenever this type of concept is given. The equation of the plane containing the two lines. The equation of the plane containing the two lines like this. But he is asking some more. So finally the equation is 7x plus 14y plus 9z plus 31 is equals to, sorry, this is plus now. Wait. Sorry. This is plus z plus y. Acha. This is minus 7x minus 14y plus 9z plus 9z. This is minus 14. This is plus 28. This is plus 14 plus 14 plus 45 plus 14 plus 45. So it is 59. 59 is equals to 0. Plus 59 is equals to 0. That's the equation of the plane. That's the equation of the plane. So multiply with negative sign. So 7x plus 14y minus 9z minus 59 is equals to 0. This is the equation of the plane. But he is asking the perpendicular distance from horizon to the plane. So you got the equation of plane now. This is of the form ax plus by plus cz plus d equals to 0. So what is the perpendicular distance from horizon to the plane? Modulus of d by, it is modulus of 59 by, so 59 by, so required distance 59 by square root of a square, it is 49 plus b square, it is 14 square, it is 196 plus 81. If you simplify, that is the answer for this question. So for this question, you must remember this formula. What is that? Equation of plane containing the two lines. Equation of plane containing the two lines. So now I'll give the question to you. Similar model question I'll give. That is the previous mains question. Post your answer in the comment box. I'll wait for your answer. The question is like this. If the distance between the plane, if the distance between the plane 23x minus 10y minus 2z plus 48 is equals to 0, and the plane containing the lines x plus 1 by 2 is equal to y minus 3 by 4 is equal to z plus 1 by 3 and x plus 3 by 2 is equal to y plus 2 by 6 is equal to z minus 1 by lambda belongs to R, is k by square root of 633, is k by square root of 633, then k is equal to how much is asked? K is equal to how much? This question is for you. Please post the answer in the comment box. Okay, so see the question. Now, the distance between the plane is given one plane and there is another plane. So if you want to find out the distance between two planes, then those two planes must be parallel. Those two planes must be parallel. So if you find out the equation of this plane containing the two lines, so like the previous one, then you may get the equation of plane parallel to that plane. So what is the formula to find out the distance between two parallel planes? Modulus of d1 minus d2 by square root of a square plus b square plus c square. Equate that to k by square root of 63. Automatically you will get the answer k. So please post the answer in the comment box. I will wait for your answer. The next question. This is also important model. Frequently asking question in the previous main, JEE mains. The value of k. If the lines x plus 3 by minus 3 is equal to y minus 1 by 1 is equal to z minus k by 5, and x plus 1 by minus 1 is equal to y minus 2 by 2 is equal to z minus 5 by 5 are coplanar, then k is equals to, okay. So the value of k if the lines are coplanar, or the value of k if the lines are intersect, you may give like this. If the value of k, the two lines are coplanar or the two lines are intersect each other. For both the models, same process. Solution. See, if the lines x minus x1 by a1 is equal to y minus y1 by b1 is equal to z minus z1 by c1, and x minus x2 by a2 is equal to y minus y2 by b2 is equal to z minus z2 by c2 are coplanar or intersect each other, then the condition is determinant of the simple condition. The first row is x1 minus x2, y1 minus y2, z1 minus z2. Second row a1, b1, c1. Third row a2, b2, c2. That should be equal to 0. Just apply this condition for this. Automatically you'll get the answer. So yeah, the first, write the points. So what is the first point? Minus 3, 1, k. The first point is minus 3, 1, k. That is x1, y1, z1. And the second point is minus 1, 2, 5. If you write like that, there is no chance to do the mistake. So this is x1, this is y1, this is z1, this is x2, this is y2, this is z2. So just apply the formula. So determinant of modulus of x1 minus x2, it is minus 3, minus plus 1, it is minus 2. y1 minus y2, it is minus 1. z1 minus z2, it is k minus 5. Now second row, minus 3, 1, 5. Minus 3, 1, 5. Third row, minus 1, 2, 5. Minus 1, 2, 5. That should be equal to 0. Just expand it. Minus 2 times of 5 minus 10, it is minus 5. Because plus 1 minus of minus plus 1 into it is minus 15. It is minus 15 plus 5 is minus 10. It is minus 10. Plus k minus 5 into k minus 5 into it is minus 6 plus 1, it is minus 5. Minus 5, that should be equal to 0. This is plus 10, that is minus 10 gets cancels. So this minus 5 times of k minus 5 equals to 0. So k is equal to 5. So k is equal to 5 is answer for this question. This is a very important model. So this type of questions is asking frequently in JEE mains. Okay. One more simple model. the equation of the plane containing the line of intersection of the planes, containing the line of intersection of the planes, line of intersection of planes 2x minus y minus 4 equal to 0, 2x minus y minus 4 equals to 0, and y plus 2z minus 4 equals to 0, y plus 2z minus 4 equals to 0, also passing through the point, point 1 comma 1 comma 0, 1 comma 1 comma 0 is 1 comma 1 comma 0 is right solution. So in this question has given two planes. Generally lines can be denoted by the letters L1, L2, L3 like this. In a similar way, the planes can be denoted by the letters pi 1, pi 2, pi 3 like this. Here the first plane pi 1, what is that? 2x minus y minus 4 is equals to 0. The second plane is pi 2, what is that? Y plus 2z minus 4 is equals to 0. Now, the equation of the plane passing through line of intersection of the planes. The equation of the plane passing through line of intersection of the planes pi 1 and pi 2 is given by pi 1 plus lambda pi 2 is equals to 0. What he is asking? Equation of plane containing the line of intersection of the planes pi 1 and pi 2 is nothing but pi 1 plus lambda pi 2 equals to 0. What is pi 1 plus lambda pi 2? It is the equation of the plane containing the line of intersection of the planes. Is pi 1 plus lambda pi 2 equals to 0. What is pi 1? 2x minus y minus 4 plus lambda into pi 2 means y plus 2z minus 4 is equals to 0. This, let us say, this is equation number 1. So what is the condition he has given to find out the value of lambda? 1, 1, 0. So what is that? Also passing through. That means this plane is also passing through 1, 1, 0. So it passes through 1 comma 1 comma 0. That means we have to substitute 1 in the place of x and 1 in the place of y and 0 in the place of z. Just substitute is 2 minus 1 minus 4 plus lambda into, so 1 plus 0 minus 4 is equals to 0. This is minus 3 plus lambda into minus 3 is equals to 0. So therefore minus 3 lambda is equal to 3, so lambda is equal to minus 1. Lambda equal to minus 1. Just substitute lambda value here. So therefore, equation 1 implies 2x minus y minus 4, 2x minus y minus 4. If you substitute lambda value is minus 1, it is minus y, that is minus 2z plus 4 is equals to 0. So the final answer for this question is 2x minus 2y minus 2z is equals to 0. 2x minus 2y minus 2z is equal to 0. Plus 4 minus 4 gets cancels. The final answer for this question is x minus y minus z is equal to 0. Right. So like this, we can discuss the models in three-dimensional geometry. So these are the very, 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 very important models. So don't miss this video. Please watch this video completely and utilize this to answer the questions in JEE Mains. So with this I'm leaving. So don't forget to subscribe my channel. Maths for All. Thank you one and all.